Hello and welcome to this Prospect 365 CRM video where we'll be looking at how to configure your problem pipelines. Problem pipelines should depict your after-sales process using statuses as the different stages of that process. Please note that you can have multiple problem pipelines if you have more than one after-sales process. A problem pipeline will include a series of statuses sequenced in a particular order that the customer service query should go through. For example, your first status may be acknowledgement sent, and the next could be in hand. Then finally having either confirmed successful or unable to progress as your closing statuses within the pipeline. To configure your problem pipelines, you will require Prospect 365 administrator rights. To start editing your problem pipelines, click on the settings icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Once within the Settings Center, navigate to the Service section and scroll down until you reach the Problem Pipelines Configure option. By selecting the Click to Configure link, your Configure Problem Pipeline window will open, where all of your current problem pipelines will be listed. To add a new one, click on the plus button in the top right-hand corner. You will then be asked to give the new problem pipeline a description. Please make sure that this is relevant to the after-sales process that the pipeline will be used for. For example, delivery, inquiry. Once happy with your new description, click Create. Now that we've created the problem pipeline, you will need to add in the required statuses by clicking on the pencil icon. This will then open up a side panel for us to start adding in the statuses. To add in the required statuses, click on the plus icon in the status heading. We'll then be presented with a list of all the active statuses that you currently have configured within the CRM. Here you can select the statuses that you wish to add to the problem pipeline, for example, in hand and acknowledgement sent. Once you have chosen your statuses, click Update. And these will then be added to the status section, and you can drag and drop them to reorder the status flow. Finally, you will need to set up your closing statuses by clicking the plus icon next to the closing status section. You will then be presented with a list of all the closing statuses configured within the CRM. Again, just select the ones that you wish to add, and then click Update. You have now configured your new problem pipeline and it will be available to all your CRM users.